Hello, I thought that it's gonna be a good idea if I can show you how came those sunflowers. I mean, not sunflowers, some flowers. In this case, I will show you the packaging of the phalaenopsis. This phalaenopsis came from Thailand. I already went to the Miami airport area and I bought it from there. Okay, this is just, it's like a cotton, but it's not cotton, but it's the best way that they find out to protect the petals of the flowers. So you have to remove this layer, put it aside, and you will find the first stems. If you can see clearly, there are, in between each flower, there is an other cotton ball to protect them in case they're being heated, or this is very delicate flowers. In this case, the stems has just 6 flowers, and the price of the phalaenopsis all depends on how many flowers came for each stems. In this case, is she's as I told you before, 6 flowers, but it doesn't mean that it's gonna be economic. And the other extremes and the bottom, you will find in a small plastic bottle that have water for the traveling condition. So the only thing that you have to do is remove the cotton, cutting this portion and trash it. Then you have to put in water. So let me show you again. We will remove the cotton. I will take 1 stem. I will remove all the little pieces of cotton between the flowers. Oops. And I want to cut this extreme. I have 2 more in this box. I will remove. I will take it. Obviously, then I have to put in water the stems, but the fresh orchids, they can be okay. They don't need to have a lot of water. So, but I will put in water because this is for tomorrow. I have to make a bridal bouquet. I'll be back. Let me put in water right now. Okay, what I have to do now, I'm gonna separate this portion, and everything else is gonna go to the recycle bin. This is it for now. Thank you. This is a box of dendrobium, white dendrobium. The packaging is totally different. The other one that I show you with the white phalaenopsis. And yeah, I already removed 4 bunches. Now I have 2. They come in this way. So what you have to do, or what I do, is I take 1 bunch, I remove the plastic just on the bottom. I cut all the plastic. I remove these little bottles that came with each stems. In each bunch you will find 10 stems, and then what you have to do is cut the extremes of the orchid, and once you cut it, you have to put in water, and that's it. That's all that you have to do. I'm gonna put in water. When you are working with orchids, you have to be very careful while you put in water, because you don't have to wet the petals of the flowers. Actually, any flowers have to wet his petals. So be sure that only the stems is gonna be on water. it. If you want, you can remove the whole sleeve and put on water. What are you gonna do with the rest? Just put in one trash. This goes to one trash and this goes to recycle bin. Well, today I show you two kind of packagings, orchid flowers. I think it's interesting when the people can see from the beginning how is this process working with flowers and delivering flowers to the wedding. Thank you.